super special. We have a Shopkins Season 6 nice and icy fridge. Woohoo! It's so cute. It's got 6 mini little ice cubes. So this is what the front looks like, and then this is the back. And it says it contains 1 fridge playset, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins plus ice tray, 1 recipe book, and 1 recipe card. So let's open it up and see what we got. Where is he? Okay, so we got it out of the box, and my mom is trying to get things off of it, and so while she's doing that, let's figure out who all they are. So I kept the back of the box, and so this is Pinky Frosting. She's cool, and she's like translucent.
She's a little see-through. Oh, they got the scanner things on the bottom of them too.
Yeah, all the play sets have scanners.
Cool. Very cute. What was this one's name?
This one was Pinky Frosting.
Pinky Frosting. Very cute.
And then this one is Chalk Frost.
Chalk Frost. I love the little the squishy eyes.
The what eyes?
The little eyes where they're shut. And
Oh,
they look like
yeah.
they're just happy. Just so
When I'm
happy.
trying to draw them, because I draw Shopkins sometimes, it's kind of hard to do them when their eyes are open because they've got so much detail. And then we've got the 6 little mini ice cubes. And every single ice cube has their own individual little face.
Do they have names?
No, they're just mini ice cubes. It'll be kind of hard to remember all their names.
They're so cute. They're just little happy ice cubes. Doo-doo. Very cute.
And then you can just like push them all down.
Yeah, so if you take them,
What do you do?
so they just fit in upside down to be level, just like a real ice cube tray.
Except they're a lot smaller than ice cubes
This is true.
because they're ice cubes, or because they're Shopkins. But when ice cubes melt, they get that small.
Very cute.
So now we got the little fridge. Or it's not a little fridge, it's a pretty big fridge, I mean, for Shopkins. And so you can open up the door, and these drawers do come out, which is impressive. So put the drawer back in, maybe. So you put the drawer back in, and then we put the mini ice cubes there. And then Pinky Frosting right inside the fridge, if she doesn't roll away. Then we can put the fridge, and then we can open up the drawers. Those are pretty big drawers. Open that. And then right here is a little pantry, and you can put the other exclusive in there.
Perfect size for a pancake.
Yep, and then it's a perfect size for Shoppy. So Pancake has her new fridge. She'll even stand. Why won't she stand?
She can sit down.
Okay, then just sit down. And then we got the little recipe book that says it has a recipe card in it. I wonder which one it is. Oh! Mystery dish. Oh, so what you do is you collect all the play sets and then you scan them on the app, and then it creates a mystery dish. But the one thing that I don't necessarily like about the app is that it's not working. Like, it won't let me scan it. It just keeps restarting, which is really weird.
It says collect and scan all 6 Shopkins from the Chef Club playsets and to reveal a mystery dish. Cool. So, very cute.
So we can check the little recipe card up and then put it right there on the fridge. So it's the little fridge you can open up the door. You got the little ice cubes and then the little ice cream. And then the drawers. There's so much storage in play sets. And then the pantry. And we did it! So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!